Hey folks, yes, I know it's been about a month since I've put out a video. Been kind of busy, and I'm getting ready to show you um, what I've been busy doing. I've been busy renovating my house, not the whole thing, just parts of it. But I'm getting ready to show you what I've been up to for the last month, and this is the reason why um, I've not put out a video in a month. So let me show you what I'm doing. All right, so um, the inside of this, I guess I'd call it cover my deck. Um, I replaced all the wood around there. I had used paneling before, and I went and got some house siding, and painted both sides and the edges before I put it up there. The other stuff looked really bad, and then I painted the wood, and I had to replace some of the wood down there on the bottom because it rotted out. And then I'm also going to have pictures of before and after. But this is the side deck. I didn't have any railings at all throughout here. And then the deck boarding was really dirty, as you'll see in the pictures. So this is what the outside of the other deck looks like. Then I'm cleaning up the boards along the bottom. I'm doing this all so it's ready for rent in February. But I cleaned all that up. Let's see what else we got here. So I gotta clean up those boards there on the bottom. And I might even do some of that right there. Some of those long ones, tall ones. I'm painting my trailer. Pretty much the same color as my bus, but this is a little bit darker tone. I'm also going to do the blue highlights. But the other big thing I did was I raised the trailer. I flipped not really flipping the axle, but what you do is there's a perch that you put on there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it's down there. It's a perch that you put on top of the axle. Once you've put the axle on the bottom of the leaf spring, so that way that so it won't slip on the leaf spring. So that's I had a friend come over and help me out doing that. So let's go look at some other stuff. You gotta understand this before I show you this. I'm in the process of moving out, so there's lots of clutter. So anyhow, this is the flooring that I put in. Right here, it used to be carpet. I'll show you a picture there. And that was, let me turn some lights on. That was carpet all the way to here, in there, and in there. But so I took the carpet out and I put tile down. And then this here was all carpet, and you'll see pictures of that. But this was all carpet, and so I redid all this, put the flooring down. So I'm having to, going to also replace the countertop in my kitchen, because water got up underneath the formica and it swelled. I'm not going to show you that because it looks worse than the living room does. But anyhow, so I'm replacing that too. But just been busy. doing all these repairs myself, so I'm saving myself a whole lot of money, but it's taking time, and hopefully it will be ready to be rented the middle of January, so that I can get it rented in February. Anyhow, hope everybody's doing well, and hopefully it will not be another month before I put out a video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.